welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is fun, easy, and friendly. I'm Ellie, your guide, and I'm so excited to practice English with you every day.
Hi friends, I'm Mike, and today we're going to talk about something really important: how to stop feeling shy when you speak English and have fun doing it.
Yes, many learners feel nervous or worried about making mistakes. But don't worry, making mistakes is awesome because it helps you learn faster.
Exactly. And remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, and they laugh at their own mistakes too, so it's totally fine.
Right. Confidence grows when you accept mistakes. The more you practice, the braver and happier you feel.
Some learners ask, what if people laugh at me?
No problem. Most people are friendly and want to help. Just smile and say to yourself, I am learning English, and that's amazing. Okay, let's start with some friendly tips. Tip number 1, practice simple sentences every day.
For example, say, "Hello, how are you? I like coffee. Today is a fun day." Repeat these aloud. Even laugh a little while you speak. It makes learning more enjoyable.
Tip 2, talk to yourself in English. Say things like, I can speak English, or I'm awesome at learning English. Laugh if you make a mistake. It's part of the fun.
Tip 3. Don't worry about perfect grammar. It's okay to speak slowly, pause, or repeat words. People will understand you, and it's totally fine to laugh at small mistakes.
Tip 4, listen and repeat. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or repeat our conversation lines. Try saying it with a smile. It helps you sound friendly and natural.
Tip 5. Smile and relax. Confidence starts with your attitude. Breathe slowly, stand tall, and laugh a little if you feel nervous. It makes a huge difference.
Tip 6, start small. Speak English with a friend, family member, or even your pet. Any friendly practice counts.
Tip 7. Use phrases and sentences you already know. Master simple sentences first. It's much easier and more fun than learning complicated words.
Tip 8, set a small daily goal. For example, today I will speak 5 sentences out loud. Tomorrow, 10. And remember to laugh at your mistakes. Learning is supposed to be fun.
Tip 9. Record yourself speaking. Listen back, laugh at the little mistakes, and celebrate your progress.
Tip 10, celebrate every success. Even one correct sentence is awesome. Give yourself a high five or a smile.
Now let's try a friendly conversation together. Repeat after us and have fun.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good, Ellie. Feeling happy and ready to laugh a little. How about you?
I'm great. Today feels fun. What are you doing this afternoon?
I'm going to practice English and maybe watch a funny video. What about you?
I'll practice speaking phrases I learned today, and I might laugh at my own mistakes. It's fun.
Even a short, friendly conversation like this helps you gain confidence.
Let's try another one together. Repeat after us.
Hello, my name is Mike. What's your name?
I'm Ellie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. And you?
I'm from the Philippines. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, learning English, and sometimes laughing at funny videos.
See? Asking questions keeps the conversation friendly and easy, and a little laughter makes learning more enjoyable.
Now let's learn friendly phrases and sentences. Repeat with us and try to smile while speaking.
I am learning English every day, and I'm having fun.
I am learning English every day, and I'm having fun.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
I'm not sure, but I think it's okay to laugh.
I'm not sure, but I think it's okay to laugh.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me.
I want to practice speaking English more and laugh while doing it.
I want to practice speaking English more and laugh while doing it.
Could you speak slowly, please?
Could you speak slowly, please?
I am trying my best to speak English confidently and have fun.
I am trying my best to speak English confidently and have fun. Some learners ask, what if I speak slowly?
Speaking slowly is totally fine. People understand better, and you can even laugh at yourself if needed.
Another question, what if I forget a phrase?
No problem. Just use simple, friendly phrases like, I am very tired, or that's awesome.
Friendly, simple sentences make your English sound natural and relaxed.
Let's do a friendly mini story. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You feel shy, but you want to order a drink.
You can say, hello, I would like a cup of coffee, please. Smile or laugh a little if you feel nervous. It's totally okay.
After ordering, say, thank you. Simple, friendly, and effective.
Now imagine meeting a new friend. Repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Ellie. What's your name?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. What do you like to do?
I like reading books, learning English, and sometimes laughing at funny videos. Awesome. Asking questions keeps the conversation friendly and fun.
Now let's do interactive practice with friendly phrases. Repeat after us and smile while speaking.
I would like a cup of tea, please.
I would like a cup of tea, please.
Can you help me understand this sentence?
Can you help me understand this sentence?
I enjoy learning English every day and laughing at my mistakes.
I enjoy learning English every day and laughing at my mistakes.
I want to speak English confidently with my friends and have fun.
I want to speak English confidently with my friends and have fun.
Could you explain this word slowly, please?
Could you explain this word slowly, please?
I am practicing my English one day at a time and laughing along the way.
I am practicing my English one day at a time and laughing along the way.
Friendly challenge for today. Speak in English for 5 minutes using at least 3 phrases we practiced, and don't forget to laugh and smile.
Even one correct sentence is progress. Mistakes are normal. Speak slowly, smile, laugh a little, and enjoy learning.
Thanks so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to English Talk Time and click the notification bell for more friendly lessons.
See you next time. And remember, you can speak English confidently, have fun, and laugh while learning, one friendly sentence at a time.